Hey everyone, welcome back to QuizBird. Ready to play Would You Rather? Summer Edition. Before we start, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Ready? Let's go! Would you rather spend a day at the beach or a day at a water park? Would you rather build a giant sand castle or find the perfect seashell? Would you rather have an ice cream cone or a popsicle? Would you rather go camping in a tent or stay in a cabin? Which one? Swim in a pool or swim in the ocean? Would you rather have a picnic in the park or a barbecue in the backyard? Would you rather catch fireflies or watch fireworks? Ride a roller coaster or go down a giant water slide? Would you rather go fishing or paddleboarding? Would you rather visit a zoo or an aquarium? Take in a summer music festival or an outdoor movie night? Would you rather eat hot dogs or hamburgers at a cookout? Would you rather ride a bike or a skateboard? Run a lemonade stand or a popsicle stand? Choose your summer pool floaty. Work a summer job at an ice cream shop or at an amusement park? Would you rather play mini golf or go-kart racing? Would you rather go beachcombing or hiking? Would you rather go on a zip line or play at the park? Would you rather have a birthday party at the beach or at a water park? Make your own ice cream sundaes or build your own fruit kebabs? Would you rather fly a kite or blow bubbles? Would you rather run through the sprinkler or jump off a dock? Eat ice cream treats every day or s'mores every night? Would you rather play beach volleyball or go snorkeling? Summer road trip or fly to another country? Would you rather try surfing or water ski? Would you rather catch a butterfly or a frog? Which one? Vacation on a houseboat or a sailboat? Last one, jump in a bouncy castle or jump into a ball pit? That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Go ahead. Choose your next quiz.